also have some news about the second COVID-19 vaccine that hopefully will do the same. Moderna saying early results suggest its vaccine is nearly 95% effective. And this, of course, comes just a week after Pfizer's encouraging vaccine announcement, as this country now faces an alarming rise in COVID cases.
That's right, a staggering million new cases in just the last week. The U.S. total now over 11 million, and hospitalizations and deaths inevitably on the rise as well. Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar is standing by to discuss these new developments. First, let's go to Alex Perez in Chicago with the latest. Good morning, Alex.
Hey, good morning, George. That good news on the vaccine front comes as cities and states across the country are reinstating restrictions, hoping to get a handle on the growing number of cases.
This morning, breaking news on the coronavirus vaccine, a sign of hope. Moderna announcing its vaccine could be up to 94.5% effective. The company planning to ask for FDA authorization in the coming weeks.
Vaccines really are on the horizon. In fact, we now have real data in large phase 3 trials showing that they are safe and effective at preventing COVID-19.
The announcement this morning coming after cases across the U.S. topped 11 million. That's 1 million additional cases in just a week. North Dakota's governor implementing a mask mandate, and Michigan's governor suspending indoor dining and ending in-person learning at high schools and colleges.
We are in the worst moment of this pandemic to date. The situation has never been more dire.
Hospitals reaching a breaking point, too. In South Dakota, this nurse's tweet going viral after claiming that some of her patients dying in her hospital still don't believe the virus is real. Her concern echoed by 36-year-old Kelly Meeker from Minnesota, who has been hospitalized for a month and a half and was just recently taken off a ventilator.
I've heard a lot of stories of people telling me that they've had COVID, but it wasn't very bad. It was just a mild cold. But I'm just here to say that it can be much more serious.
Texas resident Bonnie Nahara, part of a club nobody wants to join.
First, my mother passed away. Then my dad. Then my cousin Martha. My Aunt Rachel. My Aunt Lupe. And my Uncle Louis.
Coronavirus killed 6 of her family members this year.
We're going to have empty chairs that will never, ever be filled again.
So much heartbreak for one family to bear. Now back to the vaccine. Moderna says unlike Pfizer, their vaccine can be stored at normal refrigeration temperatures, which could be helpful when it comes to distribution.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.